Hey peeps, what's up?
I'ma jump in it like this. I don't party with the kids. I get lit and I sit at the crib. You my baby, no bib.
Alright guys, so let's get this lighting together. So I don't know if it's autofocused or not. This camera has been acting so crazy today. But for today's video, I am 38 weeks today. My light's green, y'all. Don't block and drive. So right now I'm currently headed over to Walmart. I do have a midwives appointment today. I am 38 weeks and 1 day, or 38 weeks even, one or the other. I don't keep track anymore, but I'm between 36 and 38 weeks. For most of you guys who don't know, who says that I keep using 2 different weeks, I use 2 different weeks because 36 weeks is the day that I know that I conceived, because I know what week I conceived in, and I use 38 weeks because that's what my midwife goes by, because they use your last menstrual period, which obviously you can't get pregnant on your period. So, but that's why I always use like in between or whatever. But my baby is already measuring 3 weeks ahead, so he's not even measuring 38 right now. He's probably measuring 41. And I know my belly is so small, but like when I was 32 to 33 weeks, I went to I had an ultrasound done, and apparently he was measuring at 36 weeks and he weighed already almost 6 pounds. So I'm kind of scared because Makai was 8 pounds 7 ounces, and I don't want a big baby. I'm scared to push those out. So, and Makai was a little bit of a struggle, and he was just an 8 pounder. So I hope this baby, because they always say the second babies are the biggest. I'm not looking for no 9-10 pound baby. So I am going to start trying some induction methods. I did get the okay from my midwife for anybody who says anything that I can start. So I already started on raspberry tea. Well, anyways, it's not the video for that. But I'm going to Walmart to pick up some ingredients for that video. So stay tuned for that. And I'm also going to my midwife's appointment right after. So, but I'm not going to show you guys too much at Walmart. I'm probably just going to show you guys my midwife's appointment. So we cut right to the chase, okay? Alright guys, so I live in Miami where they make you feel weird about vlogging. So I'm like hiding in an aisle trying to vlog. But while looking for this damn Midwives Brew ingredient, the one ingredient that I didn't think would be so hard for me to find is the one that I cannot find, which is the castor oil. How do you not have castor oil? Like,
what?
How? You guys, they have all these damn nectars here, and not one is apricot. Not one. Not one. Guess we're gonna make a trip to Publix or like my local Hispanic shop, because they should have it. Again, no castor oil. No castor oil. Why is it so hard to find castor oil, guys? Oh my gosh. Hopefully they got this damn apricot juice. I'm already getting frustrated. I'm about to give up. Alright guys, so hope is not all gone. They have apricot nectar here. I really wanted to get one in this brand because all the success stories that I've seen have used this brand, the Jumanex. But it's no apricot nectar in Jumanex. They only have it in the kerns. So another Luza, whatever that is. And where's the last one I saw? Let's see what I go home with. I went inside of Publix. They didn't have any damn castor oil, but I did get the apricot juice. So kudos for that. But what else? I think that's it. So now I gotta go somewhere else, see if I can find it. I'm gonna try Family Dollar and what's bothering me? I'll call her back. So I'm gonna try Family Dollar to see if they have it, and CVS, like those stores, because last time I think with Makai, when I did the castor oil, I didn't do the midwife brew, I did castor oil by itself. I found it at CVS, I think. So I'm gonna try that. Oh, excuse me. So we'll see. But I also brought some pineapples so that I can eat when I do the brew, because apparently pineapple does help with inducing labor as well. So I'm gonna do the pineapple after I drink the brew. I heard it makes you full and stuff, so I'm gonna try the pineapples to like help with that as well. And I'm gonna be traveling around my sister, well, at least I have to call her today and ask her to see if she's free tomorrow, and like drive around and walk around with her so that I can get this labor going. So yeah, but yeah guys, I'll see you guys at the next stop. We'll wait till he's done throwing his tantrum. You done? Are you done? Anyways guys, so you a crybaby. Yeah, got you on camera. Crybaby. Anyways guys, like I was saying, I finally made it to my midwife's office, but of course I'm late like always. So, and she had another, you know, she's an independent contractor, so she had another appointment. My eyebrows. What, your Legos?
Yes.
Yes. Here. So she had to go ahead and go to her next appointment. I'm not driving yet. I haven't pulled off yet. So, of course, I know y'all see Kanye. Like, why isn't he buckled? I have not pulled off yet. It's just really hot, so I turned the car on and put the AC on. So she had another appointment in, I think, Palm Beach County or something like that. I think I wiped my eyebrows off. That's what it is. But yeah, let's just see when we get to this appointment tomorrow what happens. And I'm going to do some walking and stuff today. And my blood check out too. Alright guys, I'm out.